Hello bachcho. So welcome to my channel. We have started the light chapter and we have covered the basic part of laws of reflection and concave mirror. Now we are going to discuss the convex mirror in today's lecture. So अगर आपने पहले का व्लॉग नहीं देखा है तो जाके देखिए वो, तो आपको एक क्लैरिफिकेशन मिलेगा इस चैप्टर से. Now we are going to discuss the convex mirror, right? Convex mirror. So for understanding the basic convex mirror, how does it arrive? कैसे बनाए? So first thing we have to understand what is a spherical mirror, right? So what is a spherical mirror? Those are two types, concave and convex, right? We have already discussed concave, you can check it out. A spherical mirror is a mirror that has the shape of piece. Okay, I will write down. It is a mirror. You can make a notes. It is a mirror. एक mirror है that has the shape of a piece. इसका shape कैसा होता है? Piece cut out of a spherical surface. इसे एक spherical surface से हमने cut किया है. That is called spherical mirrors. Okay. So those are two types, concave and convex. You know that about that. Okay. So concave is like that. If I am drawing concave here, concave, cave, if you are entering the cave, okay, it's like that. So it's like that. And what is convex mirror? Convex mirror is look like that. It is polished inside and the reflecting surface is outwards. So it looks like that. This is polished surface and the other part which is the reflecting surface where the light is going to fall. Okay. Same for here. Inside is reflecting and outside is polished like that. So we are entering in the cave, so it's like concave. Okay. Now second thing we have to understand, every part. Okay. So you have to understand it's towards in concave, towards the center. The reflecting surface is towards the center. Okay. And it's away from the center. We can say the reflecting surface is away from the center. So the concave mirror is in which reflecting surface is towards the center, and convex mirror is reflecting surface is outwards the center. Okay. Now in any mirror like convex and concave, we have few things to define. So in any concave mirror or convex mirror, we have few things like pole. This is denoted by P. So P is the like that. What is P? Pole. Let me define it. Pole is, it is the geometrical center. It is the geometrical center of the reflecting surface. Okay. इस reflecting surface का geometrical center होता है आपका pole. So this is reflecting surface. Suppose it is if 10 centimeter. So reflecting surface का जो center होगा pole वो 5 centimeter पे होगा. And इसे denote किया जाता है capital P से. तो इसको represent किया जाता है capital P से. Okay. Second thing we have to understand for any mirror like convex and concave, there is a center of curvature that is denoted by capital C. So let's read about center of curvature. What is that? Center of curvature. It is represented by capital C. Okay. अब ये क्या होता है? It is the center of sphere. It is the center of sphere of which mirror forms the part. Mirror forms the part. What does it mean? If I will draw it here, let me draw it for you. If this was a sphere, okay, and this sphere must be some center, that is your center of curvature. Okay. And this spherical part is your mirror. because we have cut it down now. Now we are going to talk about radius of curvature. So what is radius of curvature? This will become the radius of the sphere, so it is called radius of curvature. So next is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. So what is radius of curvature? It is the center of or radius of, it is the radius of the sphere. It is the radius of the sphere of which the mirror forms the part. जिस forms the part मतलब जिस जो मिरर जिस स्फीयर से बना है, forms the part मतलब उसी का ये रेडियस है. इसको डिनोट किया जाएगा कैपिटल R से. ओके, R इज द सिंबल फॉर दैट. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. सो व्हेन आई ड्रॉ द मिरर प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, ओके, व्हेन आई ड्रॉ द मिरर, तो मैंने एक लाइन बनाया था. दिस लाइन इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट इज द लाइन जॉइनिंग फ्रॉम P to C. Let's write down the definition. The straight line the straight line joining the pole and center of curvature. Curvature. Now the most important point about curvature, center of curvature, the curve part, that is called curvature, the curve part. So the most important point is, it is principal axis, it is normal means perpendicular for the mirror at its pole. It is always normal to the mirror at its pole. Okay, when it meets to the pole, it is always normal, okay, for the mirror. Now we are going to talk about aperture. So what is aperture? Can you tell me what is aperture? APERTURE, that is the formula for aperture. Okay, so let's discuss about the aperture now. So what is aperture, bachcha? The diameter of the spherical mirror is called its aperture. The diameter of the spherical mirror is called its aperture. Diameter. So we have talked about radius also. So the diameter is this, and it represents the reflecting surface of mirror. What does it mean? We will check out in the figure. Okay, let's discuss it. Where is our figure? Where is our figure? This is our figure. So this red part, MN, this red part, the reflecting surface, is your aperture. MN, okay, this reflecting part is your aperture. Next we are going to discuss about focus. So focus is between P and C always, in a concave as well as in convex also. So what is focus? Let's discuss about that. So we are going to discuss focus. Okay, focus represented by capital F. Let's see what is it. So it is the point of principal axis. Principal axis, I am writing it down short. Principal axis at which rays parallel to the principal axis meet. For concave mirror, we have heard about the rules, right? The light rays which is coming parallel to principal axis are meet at the focus points, or appear to meet for a convex lens. Appear to meet for convex lens. Simply remember, it is the center point of PNC. Okay, so it is the center point of PNC. And what is focal length? What is focal length? Focal length is the distance between P and F. Distance between P and F. That is your focal length of spherical mirror for both of them. Okay, so let me show in the diagram. This PF is your focal length. This focal length is denoted by small f. Small f, okay, small f. So next topic will be our image formation by convex lenses. Okay, formation by convex lens. So only two cases are there, not convex lens, mirror, convex mirror. So only two cases are there. First is image an object at infinity. An object at infinity. So let's do it. We have to find out. If an object at infinity, what we will do? We will draw the convex lens. This is your convex lens. We will draw the principal axis passing from pole and center of curvature. Focus. When the light rays coming from infinity, they are coming parallel to the principal axis. Now they will strike on the reflecting surface and goes like that. Okay. Now we have to stretch it back. It meets at the focus. So it's meeting at the focus. Okay, it's a, you know that this a diverging lens. So light rays are diverged. फैला दिया उसने, लाइट रेस को फैला दिया है. अब जब लाइट रेस को फैला दिया तो वो कभी मीट नहीं करेगी, और अगर नहीं मीट करेगी तो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ इट बैक. और जब हम ड्रॉ करेंगे बैक तो हमें इमेज मिल जाएगा फोकस पे. सो व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट एट इन्फिनिटी, इमेज बनता है आपका फोकस पे. इमेज बनेगा एट फोकस. अब लाइट रेस रियल में तो मीट नहीं कर रही है, वर्चुअल में मीट कर रही है. तो लाइट रेस वर्चुअल में मीट कर रही है तो इमेज बनेगा वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. इरेक्ट मतलब सीधा, और वर्चुअल मतलब लाइट रेज एक्चुअल में मीट नहीं करेगी, वर्चुअली बनेगी. और थर्ड हो जाएगा इसमें आपका साइज हो जाएगा वेरी वेरी स्मॉल. ओके, स्मॉल यानी कि हाईली डिमिनिश्ड. हाईली डिमिनिश्ड. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द सेकंड केस, ऑब्जेक्ट एट बिटवीन इनफाइनाइट एंड पोल. एट बिटवीन इनफाइनाइट एंड पोल. हमने पोल और इनफाइनाइट के बीच में रख दिया है ऑब्जेक्ट को. तो लेट्स सी इमेज का बनता है. तो ये आपका एक मिरर हो गया, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. यहाँ पे अपने एक प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस बना दिया जो कि सी और पी से पास होना चाहिए. आपने ऑब्जेक्ट को यहाँ रख दिया है ना. अब आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ पे पोल बना देना है, फोकस बना देना है और सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर बना देना है. एक लाइट रे को आप पैरेलल करिए. तो व्हेन लाइट रे स्ट्राइक्स पैरेलली इट गोज लाइक दैट, एंड व्हेन यू ट्रेस इट बैक इट विल मीट एट द फोकस. तो वो कहाँ पे मीट करता हुआ दिखेगा आपको, फोकस पे. ओके, यू कैन सी इट इज मीटिंग एट फोकस. नाउ सेकंड लाइट रे यू कैन पास फ्रॉम पोल. सो व्हेन यू पास इट फ्रॉम पोल इट विल make a equal angle and goes like that. Now you can see these two lines are never meeting each other, so you have to trace it back. When you trace it back it will meet at some point here. After looking at this we can say this is your AB object, so the image will be A dash B dash. Image is your between P and F. Okay, second thing you need to remember that it's virtual and erect and it is small in size. Third thing, this is called bacha nature and the size is small. Okay, I hope you understand both the cases. Thanks for watching.